Hello, thanks for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at writing the equation to lines that are parallel to a particular equation. So here we have a linear equation, y is equal to x minus 1, and they wanted to find what is to write an equation to a line that's parallel to it, but goes through this particular point, 3, 0. Okay, so remember to write an equation in slope-intercept format, what you need is the slope and the y-intercept. Now, uh, we learned in the previous lesson that parallel lines have the same slope. So the slope of this line here is 1. So the slope to the line we're going to write is going to be 1. Okay. Now that we have a point, all we need is the y-intercept. We're going to use that point to get it. So all we're going to do is start off with y is equal to mx plus b. And we're going to go ahead and plug in everything we have except for b. So we'll plug in 0 for y, plug in the slope, which is 1, and plug in our x, which is 3, plus b. 1 times 3 is going to be 3 plus b. Bring down to 0. And we're going to subtract 3 on both sides so we can get the b by itself. So we have negative 3 is equal to b. Okay, now we have our y-intercept. Now we can write the equation to a line that's parallel. So we'll write out y is equal to our new slope or consistent slope 1. And since it's 1, we don't have to write it, so I'm going to go ahead and erase it and just put x. And now put minus 3. So this line is parallel to this line here. So that's our answer here. Take a look at number 14 to see if you can solve that one. You can pause the video here. All right, let's take a look at 14. So in 14, we've got our slope is going to be 4, and our point that it's going through is 2, comma 4. So I'm going to start off with y equals mx plus b. Okay, plug in values that I have. I have my y, which is 4, my slope, which is 4, my x, which is 2, plus b. Then we have 2 times 4, which is going to be 8, plus b. Subtract 8 on both sides. That's going to give me a negative 4 is equal to b. And now I have my y-intercept for my parallel line to this. So now I'm going to write my equation. It's going to be y is equal to my slope, which is 4, x, and now my y-intercept, which is minus 4. Okay. So this line here is parallel to this one. Notice how they have the same slope, but a different y-intercept. And that's how you write an equation to a line that's parallel given the point and the parallel line. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math and have a nice day.